Okay, our next tutorial is on these T-shaped pyramids. So we started out from the bottom like this, and then we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay, pull it out, and basically it's just a T. That. See how it's a T shape. Just like that. Okay, you see how they're all T-shape like that, and then of course we're going to make a knot on the back, and then we'll start on our second color. So give me a second, and we will go ahead and start our second color, which is going to be blue. So I used blue and red, which is the traditional color for this little part on the ring. So basically I'm going to start right here. So that's 3 spaces away from my red. Like that. Poke. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you see how these 2 corners touch? Just like that. Same thing. And then make your little T. You see how we went from this corner to that corner? Like that. Then it becomes a little pyramid. Just like that. Very simple. Just like that. And then go to the other side to start the next one. Ta-da!